Welcome to Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing about the MA Economics. The contact number is given 900-936-8238. You can save this number for future purposes. If you have other query related to the any type of issues like admission, enrollment, assignments related, so you can contact us. Right now, we are discussing the course which is a program type, and mode is open distancing learning. School is a school of social sciences. Duration is only 2 years, and specialization is economics. Description is Master of Arts in economics. Eligibility is given here: bachelor's degree or higher degree from a recognized university. So you can go for this course. Fee structure is only 8,800 per year, and development fee is applicable. Registration fee and development fee and examination fees are extra charges, except this 8,800 fees. For program coordinator, you can directly contact with us for any type of details, and regional center study centers given as well. Some regional centers, so you check on these websites, and then after fill the form. And if the nearest regional center or study center, so you can go there for giving the exams. Thank you so much for watching. If you have other queries, contact us today. Thank you.